What is Excel automation? Excel automation is a task automation involving Excel files. Studio X enables the creation of automation project involving various types of data from an Excel file using various specialized activities. To create an Excel automation, we must use Excel file resource when creating a new project that includes Excel. An Excel file must be specified within it so that all of the subsequent actions can access the data contained within that file. Why use an Excel automation? UiPath allows you to automate Excel in various ways such as Excel application scope activities and workbook activities. Excel automation simplifies your application by performing tasks such as formatting cells, updating values, and running macros automatically. Excel tasks in automated process can also be integrated with several other functions across the enterprise using an RPA solution. The benefit of Excel automation in general is that it can save people many hours spent manually completing tasks. Advantages of Excel automation. Productivity. Excel automation provides higher production rates and increased productivity. Efficiency. Some of the functions of Excel can easily create automated tasks and custom logic with functions like macros. Macros are an excellent way to save time on predictable, repetitive tasks. Hence, Excel automation is efficient. Better product quality. Excel automation improves quality in several ways, including eliminating human error, increasing consistency and accuracy, the ability to create more complex projects, and the detection of mistakes along the way. Improved safety. Excel allows you to protect your work, whether it's to prevent someone from opening a workbook without a password, to grant read-only access to a workbook, or to simply preserve a worksheet so you don't delete any data. Reduced labor. Excel automation will perform all the repetitive tasks more accurately and productively than humans, thus reduces labor. Reduced lead time. A lead time is the amount of time that elapses between the start and finish of a process. Excel automation reduces the lead time. Let's look how to install an Excel package. Let's jump into the UiPath Studio. To install an Excel package, go to the Manage Packages. You can see the packages that are installed. Go to All Packages and search for UiPath Excel Activities. By default, an updated version will be installed. If the Excel package is not installed, you can install it from here. So in my device, this activity is already installed. This is the place from where you can install any activities or any packages. Let's see some of the commonly used Excel activities. These are some of the commonly used Excel activities: read range, select range, save workbook, autofill range, copy paste range, insert and delete columns. So inserting a column at the specified location in a sheet or a table or a range. And to delete a column, you can delete it from a specified range or the table. There are filters, filter table. So what filters does is you can use the filter action to create a filter in a range table or a sheet based on the values in a single column. We also have VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, which stands for vertical lookup, is an Excel feature that when enabled searches and retrieves data from a specified column. We will explore all of these activities in the demo section in detail. Let's look at the demo. In this demo, we have an Excel sheet that has a record of COVID cases in 5 states of India in 2021. So we will create an Excel automation to represent the number of cases in charts. It's easy to understand looking at the charts rather than looking at the huge numbers. Then we will upload the file on the drive. So let's jump into the UiPath Studio and get started. This is the Excel file which I have created. It has all the number of cases in these 5 states in the year 2021, in the month of Jan, Feb, March and April. All this record I have taken it from a website called prsindia.org. So I have 2 sheets, sheet 1 and sheet 2. So let's jump into the UiPath Studio. To start off with the demo, we need to have the 3 packages installed. One is the UiPath Excel Activities package. The other one is UiPath gsuite.activities. This package is used for Drive, to upload on the Drive. Then the other package is Balareva Excel Activities. This package is used for bar graph and pie chart. So after installing these 3 packages, we'll get started. So let's create a new sequence. Name it as sequence 2. So first we'll drag and drop an Excel application scope. So Excel application scope, what it does is it opens an Excel workbook and sets the scope for Excel activities. When this activity is completed, the specified workbook and the Excel application are closed. When the workbook application variable is specified in the output workbook activities field, the spreadsheet is not closed. After this, drag and drop a create table activity. So by default we have sheet 1 and enter the range. So the range is in this Excel sheet, the range is from A1 to F5. So enter the range. For this, we need to enter the file path. So we'll select the file. So we have selected the file. We have entered the table name, say number of cases. So once this much is done, next we'll drag and drop a bar chart. Drop it outside the Excel application scope and select the file path. So select the file. So select the file, select this cell range, that is the same range what we had entered earlier, A1 to F5. So once that is done, give the chart title, say cases, and you can select the chart type, bar stacked, 3D clustered, 3D stacked, whatever is required. For now we'll select bar clustered. We have many other options to explore. Data label type, we'll keep it in show value so that it shows the value, and select show value. If you want show percentage, you can select percentage. We'll select show legend, and size. You can vary the size accordingly, how much ever you want. So I'll keep the size as 350 to 350. You can change the width. So the bar chart is done, and you can enter the sheet. Which sheet are you using? So it's sheet 1. Now we'll drag and drop pie chart. Select the file. Similarly, enter the options here. Enter the cell range, the same range. A1 is to F5. Show percent will show value. Show legend. Select show value. And select the sheet which you want. We'll select the sheet 2. So done. So we have completed till here. Next we need to upload this on the Google Drive. So we'll select this option, upload file. Select the file. So we have selected the file. So select the destination folder. For that, go to your Google Drive account. So we'll go there. So in my drive, I have created a folder called Excel Automation. So I'll copy this URL till here, not the entire. Copy this and go to your UiPath Studio and paste it in the destination folder with the double quotes. Then create a variable and create a variable as file. Oops, there is an error. We have forgotten to use a G Suite application. This can be only used inside a G Suite application. So drag and drop a G Suite application, and inside G Suite application we'll write this. So the error is gone. So we'll run the file now. We'll save it and we'll run. You can see the file is getting run. So the execution is ended. We will navigate to the drive. So here you can see the file is successfully uploaded. We'll open the file. It's working on the graph. Here you go. Here you can see the bar graph for the sheet 1 with the values, number of values, and each state wise. And for sheet 2, we created a pie chart. So here you go. Here you can see the pie chart.